Hi everyone, James Stroud here. So today I'm going to show you how to sign up for an iNaturalist account and also how to join the Lizards on the Loose 2022 project using an Android phone. And so once you download the iNaturalist app, which is available at the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or in the App Store if you're on Apple, it gives you the option to log in with Facebook or log in with Google profiles, or you can log in with your email. That's if you already have an account. If you're new to iNaturalist, navigate to the bottom and see Sign Up Now. And so when you sign up, you will have one account for your school. So all of your students will log in using the same account, and so their observations will all be uploaded to the same account. This is really important. Everyone uses the same account. And so when you use an email and when you set a password, make sure it's an easy one for your students to remember. Something to do with the project, for example. And your username must be an identifier for your school. And so when you do that and click all these boxes basically allow iNaturalist to use the data that you submit with your observations. So where you took the photo, the time of day, and allows us to then download that data that you upload. And so this is what you do if you sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to go back to the previous page and log in with my email and click here. And here is my account, so I'll just press that and log in. Great, so after you log in, this is on my settings page. So this is my main page. You can see here I have no observations yet. And so this will be just like you if you're using a new account, or if you're using an account from previous years, you might have lots of observations in there already. And so now we have set up a membership. We've set up an account. Now we're going to navigate to find the Lizards on the Loose 2022 project and join it. And then once you join that project, once you make any observations, you'll be able to submit those observations to the project. And in the next video, we'll show you exactly how to do that. So first of all, on the left-hand side, we're going to navigate down to the second option, which is projects. So these are the projects that I have joined in the past, and you can see they're all of the old Lizards on the Loose projects. And so we'll search for the 2022 one now. So if you go to the top right, to the little search bar magnifying glass, press that, and we'll just type in Lizards on the Loose, and you can see lots come up already. And just to make sure we're correct, we'll type 2022. Only one project comes up. If you type in Lizards on the Loose 2022, only one project comes up, so it can't go wrong. If you just type Lizards on the Loose, there's a chance you may join an old project. So type it out in full, and you're guaranteed to get the right one. So next, we'll click on this, and it will take us to this screen. I'm not sure why the app is doing this, but these three little gray buttons here are currently being hidden. I'm not sure why. If I rotate my phone, it shows me that they're there. It's also not coming up with our picture of a lizard, which should be there. I'm not sure why, but when you do this, maybe because it's a new project, when you do this, it should be fine. And so you have those three options there: join, news, and about. If you press about, it will tell you all about this project, and my account on iNaturalist, James Stroud, Lizards on the Loose, and Chris Thorley's account, our co-runner of the project, is @cthorley. You'll notice us, or definitely Chris, a lot on iNaturalist identifying anomal pictures, and we'll do everything you upload. We'll make sure we get the species identification correct. So if we go back, and what we want to do is join. So I'll rotate the phone because this is how you will see it naturally. As I said, these buttons shouldn't be hidden, but maybe it's just a glitch because the project is new. Nevertheless, we'll press join. And it says we've joined. Usually it comes up with another little waiting bar that says, congratulations, you've joined the project. I'm not sure why it's not doing it now. Anyway, we're part of the project. And so if we go back to our main page, we can then explore our previous observations. So these are all old lizard and bird observations I've made in Miami. Or you can go down and at the very bottom press new observation, and that's where you can submit yours. In the next video, we'll show you how to submit a new observation and how to make sure that observation goes into the 2022 Lizards on the Loose project. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or to Chris.